Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you all in today's tutorial. And this is a tutorial which I am making on demand of some of the students, because some of the students are still facing issues in uploading the images and converting them into the PDF file and then uploading on the Google Classroom. So today I'm going to share a simple way to convert images into PDF and upload them onto the Google Classroom. We are going to do this with the Google Classroom. Okay, no need to use any other software for converting images into PDF files. So today we are going to use Google Classroom for conversion of PDF of images into PDF files and then uploading them into the Google Classroom. So let's start our tutorial. First of all, you will open the particular classroom for which you are going to attempt the paper and upload the images and convert them into PDF file and then upload on the Google Classroom. So let's start. We will first of all open our particular class for which we are going to solve the paper. So first suppose I am solving the paper of demo class. I will click on demo class and I will go for the classwork, and then I will choose revision, the paper that I am going to attempt. So this is the paper. You can see the image here. This will be your image of the paper that your teacher have shared with you, and after seeing the image you will have to upload your work by going back, and you will click on the upward arrow. Okay, you will click on upward arrow at the bottom. You will click on that and you will click on add work. Okay, you will click on add work. Your work will be here. Okay, you have no attachment uploaded, so you are going to upload the work again. So first suppose add work, you will click on add work, and after that you will click on camera, and then you will click on scan pages. You will scan pages. You will not take photo or record video. Okay, you will click on scan pages. It will scan the pages one by one, and at the end it will convert all the images into the single PDF file, and then one PDF file will be uploaded onto the Google Classroom. Okay, the basic purpose of this scan images, it will scan the pages and then it will convert all the pages into single PDF file. Then you can upload the single PDF file onto Google Classroom. So we are going to choose scan pages, and after that you are going to scan your pages. Fast suppose this is my page, first page. You are going to scan this page. Okay, you can see the page has been scanned. You can click on OK button at the top. Okay, the page has been scanned. You can cut and crop the page as well by clicking on the cut option at the right corner. You can cut the scan pages. Okay, you can see there. You can cut the page as well. You can drag it top and then left to right. Okay, and from here as well. Now the page will be cutted, and you will click on save. You will not click on save. You will either you will click on the plus sign at the left hand and the bottom left hand side, and then you will scan the next page as well. So next page will be scanned here. Okay, you can see the page have been scanned, and you are going to do the same process by cutting and cropping the page. Okay, you can see you can cut and crop the page. You can by choosing the options. Okay, done. The page have been scanned. Okay, then you will again click on the plus sign to add more pages at the bottom left corner. Okay, now third page I am going to scan the third page. So third page is also scanned. You can click on OK. The page quality is not good, so you will click on the minus sign. The page will be deleted. Okay, if the quality was not good. Okay. delete current page. The page will have been deleted. You are going to again click. You can see the page 2 of 2 is showing there. So I have taken 2 screenshots and 2 pages are saved. So I'm going to again click. Okay, now I'm going to again rescan the page. Okay, now the page has been scanned. Click on OK. So now its quality is better than before. So again you will click on the left hand side and scan another page. That page actually don't need to be cropped, so I have skipped the cropping on that page. Okay, again scan this page. Okay. After clicking the OK button, you can scan crop this page as. So I'm crop. Okay, I will crop the margin of the bottom side and crop the right hand side. Done. Click on done. Okay, and if you want to add one more page, you can see 4 pages have been added. If you want to add one more page, you will click on the left hand side plus sign, and then you are going to scan the another page. So let's see. So click on OK again. So this page also do not need to be cutted. So I'm going to add another page for your convenience. It's just a guideline for you. So this is next page. It is not good, so I'm going to click on minus sign at the right hand side. Minus sign, we click on this. You can see the page 6 out of 6. Okay, it is not good, so I'm going to cancel it. So again rescan that page. So now you can see the quality of page will be little bit better than before. So if you want to keep it, you will click on add, or you can see, if you are done with the scanning all the pages, you can click on save. So if you click on save, all 6 pages will be converted into the single PDF file. So I'm going to click on save. It will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes according to your internet connection. Okay, if you have fast internet connection, then it will be done within the seconds. Okay, now you can see the scanned pages, all scanned pages. So these are your pages. You can see, you can preview the pages as well. Okay, now you can see these are your pages: page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and at the bottom page 5 will be visible, and at the last page 6. So these are pages which you have scanned, and the pages have been converted into the PDF file as well. So now you just go back and you will add turn in. Click on turn in. Your paper will be submitted to your teacher account. So click on turn in. Okay, now you can see, if you want to add comment as well, you can unsubmit the assignment, but you will not unsubmit, and you will just go back. Last work, you can see the revision paper. You have done this paper, so this is your work. Okay, you can see your work have been shown in the scanned option. So that's all for this video. You can I have now I hope that all the problems have been cleared for the students, for each of the students. So you can use Google Classroom for converting images into the PDF file. That's all. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Allah Hafiz.